Another one thing, what is abundant is electricity. It is kind of strange that we have to pay for electricity because it's, well, the saying is it's in the air, right? And well, I know he's dead, but Nikola Tesla, he knew, the guy knew. So yeah, I sold my house. I'm glad I don't have a electric bill anymore, or a gas bill, or whatever resource of energy. So I'm really planning to be self-sufficient in energy. I still have to find out. How to utilize it in an efficient way. Well, you know, let's bring it to the table. I'm still in focus. Yeah, I'm still in focus. Let's bring it to the table. I already cut it open, so there's no flossy Carter style. What we got here, it is the solar portable power supply, right? So what do we got here? It's quite portable. It's smaller than I thought.
That's what she said.
It is a battery pack. Well, it got some features what's interesting for me, for my kind of purpose. If I want to charge it, I can do it on several manners. Solar panels. It has a solar panel charge input. You can also charge it via a car adapter, 24 volts, I think, or 12 volt, I don't know. I have to know because I bought it and I have to use it. God damn it. If I'm run out my main battery from the car, right, my main starter, you can jump start your car with additional cables, probably located in one of those three boxes. So if you have an empty battery, you can jump start your car with this pack, and that is quite convenient because you don't need a separate a jump starter battery pack. Let me see my recording here. Yeah, we're still good. You have also some output options, of course. Normal USB-A ports, and some 12 volt outlets. Also, like your classic cigarette, 12 volt output. And then here comes the main part, 2 times 300 watts 220. So you can hook up appliances up to 300 watts. So that means my slow juicer can run I think the Nutri Ninja can also run on this one till 300 watts. I had a blender. I had a how do you say this? The stick blender, and it was stainless steel. It was a very good one. By the way, it was the beast. It's called the beast. No joke. It was a beast. It was 1000 watt of blending power, you know, to do your pumpkin soup and all that kind of stuff. But I knew this one was not up for 1000 watts, so I sold the beast, the Princess Beast. It's not for this. So yeah, it's around I presume 5 kilos, 5 kilos, and actually the benefits, now I see the benefits because it's so tiny. It can fit in a corner in the car. I have a perfect corner for it somewhere in the back of the car. My car, the Nissan X-Trail, it is medium sized. It is labeled as a medium sized SUV, not a big ass SUV or a large SUV. It's a medium sized SUV, so I have room, but yeah, it's going to be Tetris. It's going to be Tetris to to fit all the parts, all the gear. This is not a good representation of it, but you know where I'm heading. So let's open up these boxes. What's in it, what you get, extras with it. And I know you have also, we have also the bigger sized, the bigger sized PowerOak. It is more expensive, a lot bigger, but it doesn't have a jump starter cable kit. So this is your normal your brick. It's the size of a laptop brick. Get included, so I will charge it overnight, and then tomorrow I'm going to use it because probably I'm going to upload this video not here in Belgium because that's a lot of gigs. Oh my god. No, I have to drive to the Netherlands and upload this video. It is what it is, right? This is the solar panel connection cable. I think this is a standard connection. There is a name for it, but you know, I'm kinda a noob in these things. But it comes with a solar panel connection cable. That's important. And then what do we got here? This is your cigarette charging cable. So you put the cigarette charger where, no, not, no, yeah, yes, you do. This is your charging input, and this one you stick into the cigarette outlet. And here, of course, I mentioned earlier your battery, your car battery jump start cable. So for emergencies, you have an empty battery on the road in the middle of nowhere, then you can jump start your car with the PowerOak. How are we doing? 16 minutes. That's a long ass video. There's going to be a lot of jump cuts in this video, but it's okay. So the PowerOak PS something, PS5 Black Edition. Yeah, it's lithium ion. That's good. I'm not going to bore you with specs. This is just the next phase to get completely self-sufficient. So I want to be self-sufficient with power, with water supply, with food. And there is some contemplation going on where I'm going to roll out this concept I am thinking of. I held some options, and I'm not sharing it yet, but it would be something completely self-sufficient in any way. This is a part of the journey, and a part of the journey is to be self-sufficient with energy. It's important because energy, electricity is infinite. Keep that in mind. Energy is infinite. Like like Einstein, once said that energy cannot be destroyed. It can only be transferred. So yeah, very good, very good. This is one good step ahead. It's important to invest in this kind of product. I think it is important. It is also important to know that paying for electricity every month, that is kind of ignorant. We don't have to. We don't have to. Trust me, there is no such thing as scarcity. Scarcity is an illusion, man-made illusion, and it's a good one. It is a good one. Just let that sink in for a moment, and then we'll pick it up from there. I assure you. Have a nice day, and take care of yourself.